All right, with the second part, how much manufacturing overhead would be allocated to each pair of golf shoes if the company switched to activity-based costing? In this case, they've already given us the activity-based costing rates. They've done the math for us, so we don't have to figure out the activity rate. What we need to do is apply the activity rates to the overhead items. And we're going to do that for golf. So golf has these are the overhead activities. So golf has again, show your work, machine setup, and it has 1,220 setups times it's $32.40 per setup, and then we're going to add to that the assembly, and the assembly is 5,400 machine hours, and the overhead for that is $6.25 per machine hour. And finally, the inspection is going to take 32,000 direct labor hours, and we allocate direct labor hours for inspection at $12.50. So let me do the math on this real quick. That is 39. Let me double check that. Okay, yeah, so it was 39,528. That's how much overhead is going to get allocated for the setups to golf. And then assembly is 54,000 hours times $6.25 per machine hour. So that is 337,500. And the last one is inspection, 32,000 direct labor hours times $12.50 is 400,000. So we add this overhead up, and we get $777,028 of overhead would get allocated to each pair. Oh, well, no, that's not exactly right. So that's how much would get allocated to the entire golf line. What we want to do is figure out now how much is to each pair. So this is important, right? Make sure you read the questions carefully. So what we need to do now is figure out how many pairs of each one of these shoes are they going to manufacture. In this case, the golf shoe says it's 64,000 pairs of golf shoes. So I'm probably running out of room a little bit here, but so we'd take the $777,028 of manufacturing overhead. We would divide that by 46,000 pairs of golf shoes, and we would discover that each pair of golf shoes is going to get allocated I don't know why I keep putting a comma there. $16.89 of overhead per shoe. Again, make sure you show your work.